Hello everyone, thank you for sharing your time for watching this video. My name is Gibum You and I am Assistant Manager at ICURE Pharmaceuticals. Today I am here to give introduction of our company and pipeline. Chapter 1 Prologue. ICURE Pharmaceutical Incorporated, founded in 2000, we are the Korean-based transdermal drug delivery technology manufacturing and developing patch, plaster, and cataplasma. In addition, ICURE provides ODM and OEM services to various Korean pharmaceutical companies. Throughout ICURE's advanced TDS platform technology, we are consistently developing not only transdermal patches, which can be applied in the CNS, pain, and diabetes, also cosmeceutical products. ICURE owns various has patents related to TDS technology and has a great potential for growth in the future. As of now, ICURE and Celltrion have been jointly carrying out the global clinical test phase 3, which is conducted in 4 countries, Korea, Australia, Taiwan, and Malaysia, for the donepezil patch. And it is reaching to the phase prior to releasing in the first half of 2021. Transdermal drug delivery system means a way of drug delivery designed for getting systemic action or part action when drugging through the skin, and it is a patient-friendly system designed to efficiently deliver the requested amount of drugs by changing the drug administration route of the existing formulation. Compared to oral drugs, the patch has the advantage that the effective blood concentration is maintained for a certain period of time, so there is no hassle of taking 2-3 times a day, and there are no side effects such as gastrointestinal disorders or kidney problems. For the global market, we are currently looking at $20.5 billion for TDS global market out of $154.8 billion total of global drug delivery market. ICURE's first factory is Gwangju, and it is preparing for the approval of cGMP in the US as an outpost for smooth production of pharmaceutical patches and global advancement in the future, and expecting to enter the US market in 2022. Chapter 2 with momentum, which is donepezil patch. Donepezil patch, which is the most important product in our pipeline, is an improved incrementally modified drugs of an oral drug into patches for Alzheimer's patients and has a complete or the first multinational global clinical phase 3, and it is expected to submit IND of clinical trial phase 1 in the US next year. The global dementia market is on the rise, and the global dementia treatment market is expected to reach $300 billion in 2020 and $1,500 billion in 2024. In particular, only 5 drugs have been approved for dementia treatment in the world, including donepezil and galantamine. And we strongly believe that there is no end possibilities. Due to the convenience of patches in the dementia treatment market, most of the oral drugs are being replaced with patches, and Novartis Exelon occupied 90% of the market immediately after the release of the patch. The donepezil patch, which ICURE is developing, is incrementally modified drugs that has no patch yet, so if launched, it is expected to quickly replace the donepezil market. As you see the pharmacokinetics of donepezil, the blood concentration is very similar to that of an oral drug, and if you attach it twice a week, you can see the same efficiency as an oral drug. As mentioned earlier, the donepezil patch is currently in the final stage of the global phase 3 clinical trial and plans to submit an IND of phase 1 in the US next year. As the demand for donepezil patches has already increased around the world, it has signed contracts with leading pharmaceutical companies around the world, and a successful launch is ahead. Here is the summary for donepezil patch phase 3 clinical trial, which entered into the world first time. In fact, it was held in 4 countries: Korea, Taiwan, Malaysia, and Australia. The advantage of patch is that it alleviates side effects such as nausea, vomiting, and dizziness, which have been found in conventional oral drugs, and provides convenience to patients by reducing the number of doses. Except for the donepezil patch, rivastigmine and lotigotine patches are also planning to be in the market soon. The donepezil patch market is expected to increase gradually, and it is planning to lead the market by overcoming the limitations of existing patches with a transdermal delivery system, and leading the patch to the CNS pharmaceutical market, which had a high dependence on the oral drugs. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.